watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello again, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired. And today we have a new mystery box. And yes, we have a new cutie in this box too. So this mystery box is Cricut's Celebration Mystery Box. So we're going to start with the cutie. This is the new cutie. Now, his name is Orion Blue. So he is a very dark, deep, one of those moody blues. I know I was just mentioning, I think on my last mystery box video, how I was like, I think they're doing like a moody rainbow, like these dark moody colors. This makes me think they are indeed. And they've been doing a lot with this deep slate blue, like all those new tool colors are that, the Easy Press SE and all that, but this is an even darker, I'd say it's like a darker version of that slate blue. So definitely not black, but a dark, like navy, like maybe a space blue. Maybe that's why his name's Orion. And because we get a cutie in this box is for Cricut Access members only, but in the links below, you can go ahead, see all the benefits of Access, join Access, but you can purchase our box too, which we greatly appreciate if you do that. Now, let's see what all else is in the box. Oh, and it's my favorite color. We are getting some of the teal removable matte Cricut premium vinyl. So you're gonna get 12 by 48 inches of this, and it's that beautiful teal color. Looks a little bit more blue on here than it is, but it is the perfect teal. And actually, I have this color on my Jeep. I did hibiscuses on the side in teal and hot pink, and I used the removable vinyl, and I did this last summer. And my car sits outside all year, in the snow too, and they're perfectly still on there. And I go through a car wash a couple times a week. So please, with removable vinyl, do not think it's so removable you can't use it that lasts. And another color vinyl, which this would actually look really pretty with that teal too, because I think tropical, but we're getting a tube of the coral, also in the removable matte premium vinyl in the 12 by 48 inches. So any of the vinyls I show you will all be that 12 by 48 inches. I would keep saying it, but by the end, you're gonna be tired of me saying it, because there's a lot of vinyl in here. And another color that goes good with that tropical is bright green. There's such fun summer colors right there. And then add to that a tube of the mint, also in that removable matte. These colors right here look so pretty. Then we're gonna get a tube of the orange also. And another tube of that vinyl, and this is in the wine color. And we're still going. We're getting a tube of coffee in that removable matte vinyl also. And the same with the silver. So we're gonna get the pretty silver. And this is so pretty. I love, look at this. Do you see how that has like that pearl look to it? So what this is adhesive foil. So you go ahead and put this on transfer tape too, and then you can go ahead and apply it to your projects. And then just add that beautiful kind of sparkle, like sheen to it, I would say. Really pretty. And we're also getting a tube of that in champagne too. And both of these are gonna be 12 by 48 inches. And because we have all of those rolls of vinyl, which that is a lot of rolls of vinyl, we are getting some transfer tape to go ahead and transfer those. But you're actually gonna get 2 boxes of this, and each one of these boxes is 12 by 48 inches. And I always like to remind people, this is reusable. So do not throw it away when you're done with it. Keep it. I actually like it better used. Well, depending on what I'm transferring. All right, guys, well, that is everything that's in Cricut's Celebration Mystery Box. Now, before I forget, because I do these videos all the time, and then at the end I'm like, I didn't see how much it was. The box is $49.99 US, $69.99 Canadian, but you don't pay that because you gotta be Access to purchase, and Access members save on each purchase from Cricut. So your Access discount will apply. Now, to buy the box, you will find those links in our video description below. So you can go ahead and click to go ahead and purchase it on Cricut.com, which we greatly appreciate if you guys do. And also in the links below is our giveaway, which we almost always have a Cricut giveaway going on in our Cricut Design Space Facebook group. And right now we have a $200 giveaway going on. So one member of our Cricut Design Space Facebook group will win $200 to spend at Cricut.com, which that is a whole bunch of stuff you can get. Now, that giveaway is open until the 20th, 11:59 p.m. Eastern, and that giveaway you can enter up to 10 times per day. And then once that giveaway ends, we're gonna start another one. And look at our group next month, because next month I'm gonna go ahead and run a crafting challenge on top of our giveaway too. That way it can inspire you guys to make a project, which we love to do. So thank you guys so much for joining us as always. And if you could just go ahead and give us that thumbs up and comment. That helps us so much in the whole algorithm thing, which we're always trying to figure out and can never figure out. But I know that definitely helps. Oh, and I just want to mention our lives. So we have been having issues. Our lives, if you're one of our people that tune into our lives a lot, you know they are not working correctly. They are not streaming where they're supposed to be. They're set up every way it's supposed to. Nothing can figure out why it's not working. So we've been doing some videos more often than the lives, but we are going to do more lives. I just want to say, with our lives, if you see a thumbnail and we're going to go live, just go ahead and go to that one, because what it's been doing is it's not streaming to where it's supposed to. So you can still tune in with us live, and then if it goes and makes another video, just stay in that chat and we'll go ahead and put the post for the new live in that chat. And I know that is completely not ideal. Believe us, it drives us absolutely bonkers. Something changed and it's not working for us. So just please still join us in the live, and then if that goes wrong, we'll go ahead and give you the right link. And thank you to all those people who are in the live and then jump to our new stream when we get it. You guys are rock stars to us. All right, crafting friends, we will see you guys next time. Happy crafting!